If only I could finish something, run straight through to the end, close a chapter dignified. Damn girl, you did it again.
If
to the stars, I'll be the infinite glow.
When we were young, I was the earth, and you were the sun. You lit my world, I swear that it's true. It's always been you.
When we were old, you were the moon, and I was the gold that followed you. You lit my world, I swear that it's true. It's always been you. Oh, when I'm gone, if there's one thing I want you to know, oh, if you're lost, look to the stars, I'll be the infinite glow.
Well, I used to be your dear old Valentine. You had the candles and the fancy wine. I'm seeing roses every time I close my eyes, and I'm getting all choked up on butterflies. And I've been chasing rainbows since the day I met you. I'm seeing sunshine when I lay in bed with you. And I know you heard it all before from other guys, but I'm getting all choked up on butterflies. You got a way of putting me at ease. I used to worry, now I'm worry-free. In your arms I'm underneath the sweet magnolia trees. You got a way of putting me at ease. And I've been chasing rainbows since the day I met you. I'm seeing sunshine when I lay in bed with you. And I know you heard it all before from other guys, but I'm getting all choked up on butterflies. Well, I used to be your dear old Valentine. You had the candles and the fancy wine. Now I'm seeing roses every time I close my eyes, and I'm getting all choked up on butterflies. And I've been chasing rainbows since the day I met